Welcome back to LoiLoNote tutorials. This is episode 2 where we will explore the complete interface overview. So first let's understand the layout. On the left hand side we have our creation tools. This is your creative toolkit. On the right side you will find the control panel where you will manage student activities and device controls. So let's see all the features, all the tools one by one in detail and see how you can use it to create all the amazing activities, lesson plans and everything. So let's just move on to the first card. So the first tool we will see is the camera tool. Click on the camera icon and you can take both photos and videos directly within the LoiLoNote. This tool is perfect for recording observations of your surroundings, documenting science lab experiments, or capturing photos of handwritten notes. So let me demonstrate by taking a photo of this plant here. See, I will just click on the camera icon, take the photo and see instantly it gets added to your note and it can be annotated, resized or moved around. Students love using this for field trips, lab work and project documentation. It has so much use cases, you can explore it later one by one. The second is the text card. We have the text card, your go-to tool for written content. Click here and you can type any text you need. You can annotate over your text, change the formatting, and there's a built-in audio feature as well. So let me demonstrate it for you. Just click this microphone icon to record the audio. This is just perfect for teachers recording instructions or for students practicing their speaking skills. Let me record a quick message for you. I'll just click over it. This is how easy it is to add voice notes to your content. Just see here. The audio is now embedded with your text card. Students can play back it anytime they want. Next, we will see the web card. The web card brings the entire internet into your note with an inbuilt web browser. But first, you will need to install the web card extension. So, let's search for LoiLo web card extension in Chrome. Visit the extension page this way and click Add to Chrome to install the web card extension. Okay, so once installed, make sure to pin the web card extension to your browser toolbar. Okay, done. Now back to LoiLoNote. Click on web card and this web search window appears. Let's search for something. I'll search for water cycle. Here you can find the content you want. Let's see, I want students to check this website. I'll just click on the web card button in your browser extension and just see this web content is now captured as a card in your workspace. Here you can see you can just send this card to the student to explore the website further as well. So the next is file. The file tool is your gateway to importing existing content. Click here and you can import PDF files, images and even videos stored on your system. Simply browse to your file, select it and it's instantly added to your note. This is perfect for incorporating existing lesson materials, student worksheets or multimedia content. The next is thinking tools. Now, this is where LoiLoNote really shines, the thinking tools. We have over 22 different thinking tools available. These are used for building thinking routines, developing lesson flows, brainstorming sessions, and creating interactive activities. You have got mind maps, comparison charts, cause and effect diagrams, and so much more. Each tool is designed to promote critical thinking and student engagement. We have seen all the creation tools. Now let's move on to the material section. This is your personal library where you can save all the materials you have created. Next is the submit section. The submit section is where you will find all the submissions from your students. Every assignment, project, or activity they turn in will appear here, making grading and feedback management effortless. Below that is the timeline, the send timeline. Here, the send section shows you the complete timeline of communication between you and your students. Every message, shared content, or collaborative activity is tracked here, creating a complete learning journey record. Next, we will see the control panel overview. From here, you have control over your students' activities and their devices. You can just lock the screen from here, and all the student screen will be locked within seconds. You have other control functions as well, like lock send, by which the teacher can control students' interaction with each other, as well as we have lock shared function where the teacher can control the shared note. Okay, and there you have it, a complete overview of the LoiLoNote interface. You now understand all the creation tools from camera to test cards, know where to find your materials and submissions, and understand how the control panel gives you classroom management powers. Thank you.